So this is from Slave Heaven. Okay, and he's having a booting problem. So when I boot, so okay, that messed me up too. So when I boot get done, it says one auto detect analog input entering power save, and it basically that says like a cord is unplugged, but I checked all the cords and there's nothing unplugged, and says the monitor has no service. I just like press a key to turn it on to the monitor, but when I do press a key or click the mouse, it doesn't turn on or doesn't do the monitor on. Okay. So it sounds like his computer is going to sleep. I boot get done. It says one auto detect analog input enter power save. Okay. Okay. It sounds like your computer is going to sleep. You can turn this feature off by start, edit power plan, change from balanced to high performance, then edit power plan, advanced power settings, then go to advanced power settings, turn off USB selective suspension, turn off monitor sleep by setting to disable. It's monitor sleep, right? Edit power plan. Edit power plan. And it is display. Turn off display after. Turn off display after. Set to 0. Or I'm sorry, never. Okay, you can turn this feature off by start edit power plan, change from balance to high performance, then go to advanced power settings, turn off USB selective suspension, turn off display after, or display, and then turn off display after, set to never, and sleep. And we're gonna go sleep to sleep after never, and then sleep, turn off display, set it to never, sleep, setting, sleep after, setting, never. Okay, so basically we want him to just go ahead and disable his power settings or his sleep settings. That should make it so that he doesn't have problems with him pressing buttons and he can't actually get the monitor to turn on, because sometimes when it goes to sleep it has problems getting back up and it leads to like black screens or the monitor not coming on properly. So you can just straight up turn it off and see if that fixes his issue, just to make sure that that's what it is. And then if he wants to play with it in the future, he can. So we'll go with that. Slave Heaven, keep us posted. I hope that helps.